Good morning, YouTube. Nah, what's happening, YouTube? Let's see what I got on today. LS, what's good with you? So, I'm back in town, so you know what it is. Chevy time. Chevy time, Chevy time, Chevy time. Okay. I was chopping up a classic earlier today. He gonna hit a couple yards, this, that, and the third. But I have to figure out why my headlights are not turning on. So I'm underneath this steering column, checking all the grounds, cleaning up some of the wires, checking the fuses. I just received, hold on. I went to the yard the other day. I picked up another switch. So I'm going to make sure it's a switch. If not, y'all, I'm going to have to probably take the dash out and do the rewiring all over again, figure out what's going on. But, see, I did do my due diligence when I put the steering column on. I tested the lights that came on. So I know it's something small. I just got to figure it out. Also, I'm going to show y'all what I got new. As in parts-wise for the cheap, y'all. Cheap. Y'all not going to believe this. I'm going to show y'all when the next video drops. All right, YouTube, no little pickup. Boom. 150 PSI, 6 gallon. 22.7 liters. Boom. Been using it already. I got this with the hose and a staple gun I did need for $35. $35, people. New little addition. This is a little small one. It's fine. Ride around with it or something. Alright, back at it, YouTube. See this little mechanism right here, that bushing on my Caprice is broke. But I did go to the yard and get me another one. So I'm gonna replace that here probably tomorrow. Cause I'm tired of my door kinda you ain't gotta lift it, but I want a smooth close. You know? So that's my update for today, y'all. Shout out Goldie Box. I see him and OC linked up on some free parts stuff, man. Like you say, we gotta look out for each other out here in this box Chevy community, you know? Some parts are rare, some parts are this, but you know, in some areas you might have 20, 30 boxes at a yard, and one area might have 2, you know what I'm saying? Just look out. If it don't hit you over the head for shipping, just make them pay for shipping anytime. It ain't too much, you know? So that's what I do. If y'all need anything, y'all already know I'm at the yard. I ship it. Y'all just send me my shipping money back. You feel me? That's it. All right. Let's make America Chevy again. Turn up.